we've got 6 of these aeroplanes based at Williamtown. We've got just come back from overseas. See Boris, this is still a rather manoeuvrable plane for a big aeroplane down low, and he's going to reposition the aeroplane to go up the river.
And one of the things as well is the wedge-tail can cover more than 4 million square kilometres on a surf pattern. That's the size of Western Australia or the Northern Territory.
Yes, absolutely. With the air-to-air refuelling, we can extend that as well to go a little bit longer. In a transit from point A to point B, if we have a tanker available, we can avoid just having to stop in other countries to get fuel, so we can fly directly down to Hawaii.
And this is effectively part of our 5th generation aircraft, right?
It's easy for the E7, it's not a 5th generation aeroplane, but we work directly with them, so yeah, we help to enhance the F-35s, the Hornets, the Growlers, as much as we can. Those aeroplanes can work without an E7, but they are more than likely going to win when they have one.
And you said about your background there, though. You've been around a while.
I have been for another couple of weeks, and I'm on.
And you're going to become an instructor, right?
I would like to, as long as I pass the course. So yeah, it's good to see the roulettes kicking around in the future platform.
See the wedge-tail now doing a right turn. Off northern end of Hobby Beach, he'll be flying up the river very shortly, recovering back to Williamtown. We'll see him again, full-time surfer.
It is surfer, it's with the surfboard on the roof, and when they turn right towards the Stockton Bridge, you probably see the highest angle of bank that we can do for the E7, and it's one of our few opportunities to fly up the river.
So there we go. Away. That is the E7A wedge-tail.
I'll go home now, it's 7:05, please. Thanks very much.
I'll see you this afternoon. Well, we hope you're enjoying the show so far. We're about an hour and a half into it for